He was just trying to get the birds. Gus and Little Cat. What do you guys do when I'm not in there with them? Gus obviously loves it when we're with him, but when I'm not in there with him, he is a big bird hunter. He goes back and forth from the windows to the bird feeder to the parakeets. And he somehow thinks that at some point he's going to be able to go through the glass and get them. Oh, Gus. You good boy, Gus? Gus! Gus, you see me over here? Gus, oh, there you are. Look at you. There you are. Oh, my goodness. There's Gus. There's Gus. Hello, guys. Oh, my goodness. So, Gus, let me just pull this camera back a little bit. There we go. Gus is a big lover. You knew that. And Little Cat's coming around too. Little Cat, what are you doing? You good boy, Gus. You good boy. Oh, he's such a nice friend. He's a good boy. Are you watching the birds? Mm-hmm. Yes, you're watching the birds. Little Cat, you want to come over here? Come on over here, Little Cat. Who's cute? Who's a cutie? I know. Gus doesn't like me talking to anybody but him. I'm back to bird hunting.